fucking ball stopper. I'm through shit. Like, well, fucking, my truck's turning into a boat, man. Whew, yo, it is fucking nasty out here. It is cold as shit. And I'm going on my third sweatshirt because they're just... It's soaked. It's fucking soaked.
Oh, cute little bunny. Oh my god, what the fuck is this shit? Wow.
So people ask me, like, why I use this filter so much, and it's actually a really simple answer to that. In reality, I'm ugly as fuck, but with this, I can be ugly in a comical sort of way. Alright, check this out. Working my ass off every day. Yeah, bitch. Listen up now, cause I'm trying to get that pay. Why don't you pay attention, cause I got a lot to say. Nigga, you gay?
About to tear this shit up.
And I work these 2 jobs so many days in a fucking row. Like, I need to go out. I don't care what time it is I get done. I don't care how tired I am. I'm going out and I'm getting drunk. Real shit.
You gotta be rude, so rush to you. You gotta be crass, you gotta be cold. It's everything we know. Yours truly, Jason Derulo, and you are in the mix with my boy Grooves. Cause I know I can treat you better than he can, and any girl like you deserves a
Belly.
Rub your belly.
Fat ass cat.
Yeah, but you know what's so funny? Look.
Need to lose some fucking weight,
Look,
dude.
it's got boobies. I know, we need to go to the... Like here, here.
This is fun. I have a beer?
I'm gonna pose it for his camera.
I think he wants a fireball.
He's like totally posing.
They better be about a 50-inch waist.
Did you say you're hornier than hell right now?
Oh, fucking right, dude.
Why?
Oh, wait.
No,
Please do.
Nah, Snapchat, bro. Nobody's gonna see it.
Please take pictures.
You say the anaconda's gonna come out if you take your clothes off? He's got an anaconda. Hold on, what'd you say about the black guys?
They're small compared to me, dude.
Yo, this motherfucker says he's got an anaconda. Big ass dick.
So watch him, man.
Yeah, these 2 people right here are the greatest. This guy and her. They're getting a divorce, but they're like best fucking friends. Like, how does that make any sense? I don't know how they do it, but they're fucking all. Sorry about that. You don't want to be Snapchatted by... What am I talking about? I don't know what you're going to talk about. Yeah, I just met this dude at the bar. You're funny as hell. What were you saying? You call me a faggot? Alright, so what did you just say?
I'm saying...
What did you tell me to go do?
I said go suck a dick because you're wearing a fucking Adidas.
What if I beat you up right now?
Girls
What do you mean this isn't a footage?
Girls in Snapchat?
Not for you, bro.
Yeah, why?
Fuck. Yeah, this dude ugly as hell. Fuck you. There's dude sitting at the bar, hella drunk. I just met him talking mad shit, talking about his dick on the slay girls. This motherfucker got a chode if I ever fucking see it. What, bitch? Oh. Wait, you said you need to take my phone and do what?
Yes, I'm gonna take your phone and throw it out the motherfucking window, you fucking cocksucker.
Alright, then do it, pussy. No, don't you worry about it. I still got my phone. This pussy ain't about nothing. Yeah, this motherfucker, I don't know who he is, but he's talking hell shit. I'm about to fuck him up right now. Watch this. Boom!
Word up! Freshman 15s.
Ugly as hell. I don't even know why I met this guy, but he's alright. I forget. He wants to show you guys something real quick.
Yeah, fuck you, motherfucker.
Who, me?
Everybody on Snapchat, everybody on the fucking internet.
This dude's gay as fuck,
yourselves,
bro.
Yeah.
Drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Know your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something. I don't trust nobody.
Look at the bat signal. The move right now, like how it is. Look, it's like the bat signal. Look at it.
So I don't know if any of you guys are familiar with Jake's Landing, but we're about to go down this road and do some
Go see
crazy
the
shit.
graves.
Yeah,
The
we're
graves.
gonna go fast with no lights. Stop. I should have done the fucking no headlights. When there was this. Oh my god! It's straight.